Sir.
Okay, Sadhana ma'am, you can ask question.
Okay, sir. Actually, now really I want to join Dr. Sandeep sir class. So, sir, actually I don't know how to join. So, sir, can you tell me how did you join sir classes, Sandeep sir class?
Yeah, Sadhana ma'am, I will explain after class. Okay, don't worry about. Okay, but now you can ask any question about you have any.
Okay, sir, more query, sir, more query, sir. Yeah, sir, more query.
Okay, okay.
Actually, sir, yeah, sir, means I have seen means around my area. Means there are many people they don't know how to read book. Okay, actually now while reading many sentences, it's come a very tough. So, but they want to speak English, sir. So it is, sir, possible.
Yes, very much possible. For them, they need to do hard efforts. They need to listen that English communication. They try to speak as much as possible. Because in my childhood days, I am from basically from Udaipur, and Udaipur is a tourist city. So I have seen that many of the child whosoever living that tourist spot of their Udaipur, so they from their childhood they used to speak in English with foreigners. They were not able to read and write anything, but they used to speak with foreigners in English. So I have seen this type of child in my childhood. So
Sir, actually, more
whatever
question one.
environment you are getting is depend on this environment only.
Sir, doesn't matter now. Means we have an idea means how to read book or not. Sir, doesn't matter. If means
Doesn't
we
matter.
are willing to read and we will willing to means speak. So means we can speak, sir, right?
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
more questions,
So
sir. Actually,
it's as much as simple that when we were child, then we didn't know how to write and read Hindi, but we have started to speak Hindi. So the same formula is there. If you are having a proper environment, then you can speak. But depend
sir,
on
but
your
sir, anyone suggest you watch means English movie and you read a book. So, sir, why we need to read? Because while speaking we can speak. So, sir,
no
what
no
is
no.
the need ki while reading we can speak?
A
So, this is
child when
compulsory.
a child when started to speak Hindi, then you know that how he has started to speak Hindi, what he listen from their parents, what he speaks. Okay, so
Yes.
listening and speaking both are very much important for a child to speak in Hindi. So same formula is required in English also. Whenever that you are saying that there is some limitation for someone that they are not able to write and read English. So if they are not able to write and read, then two things is required for speaking English: speaking and listening. Listening is very much important. Okay.
Sir, also there is means need grammar. Without grammar,
Uh,
sir, means we can speak.
yes, you can speak. Definitely, you can
Actually,
speak.
I heard many times in Sandeep sir classes. Actually, I follow,
Then
but
yes,
I don't know how to join. So also they
no, no.
mention ki we
Whatever
don't
Sandeep
need
sir
to
is
bring
saying,
grammar.
whatever Sandeep sir is saying, very much true. He is saying that there is no need of grammar. No
Yeah,
need of
sir.
grammar.
Yeah, Sadhana
So,
ma'am, you
sir,
know,
sir,
Sadhana,
how did you improve, sir, yourself? Actually, while hearing your sound, means I thought, means you are very experienced, sir. So, how did you improve yourself?
No, 6 months before I was very much struggling. You won't believe, Aryan, how I have struggled my life. You won't believe how much I was
Sir,
having pain.
within 6 months, you means improve lot of, sir, actually.
So
But
that's why I
we
am
can't.
saying. That's why I am saying. My age is 39. My age is 39. I knew how to construct sentence. I knew what is the word meaning. I knew pronunciation. But 6 months till 6 months before, I was not able to express one sentence in English. Why? Because I was having a lack of confidence. I was having a fear. I was very means my confidence was very much low in speaking. So what I got that confidence while again and again speaking, whether I am saying correct or not, my English is right or wrong, I am following proper grammar rules or not. So by continuous practice, I am able to speak. And okay, leave it my example. Here is Ravinder Yadav's example. Ravinder Yadav
Yeah,
was
sir.
not
Yeah,
able
sir.
to speak one word. So I was very much amazed in first time when
Sir,
I
also
see
we
him.
are
I
getting
thought that how
from
he is able
Ravinder,
to
sir.
speak, but now he is speaking like that.
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
So he's again a very good or big example for me also and you all
Yeah,
also.
sir. Yeah.
No,
Yeah, sir.
if me
Really.
I can speak, if Ravinder ji can speak, then whosoever is present in that group all can easily speak
But sir, means we
easily.
are
But
taking much time, and that's why we are
consistent
very
practice is
concerned.
required.
Yes, sir.
Consistency is required. Consistency is required.
Really,
Right, sir.
it's a truth because you know, sir. Whatever Sandeep have told about, like firstly you should develop confidence and doesn't like give up focus our mistake and this type thinking, and you maintain properly consistency. You follow consistency 100%. One day you will get very good result.
Actually,
So
sir, na, my problem is na, sir, but only I want to improve myself, but I don't put my effort. I don't give a
is
means really.
it's everyone problem.
Yes.
Everyone like you.
Sir,
Think like
so
you.
Okay,
is it possible?
Sadhana
Means
ma'am,
I can just
Sadhana ma'am, I hope means you have a clear, okay, your question. And now, Ishna, you have any question? So please you can ask because your time is limited. Okay, so that's why it's our responsibility. Each every person have a lots of problems. So I think because I am host, so that's why it is my responsibility. I will give up each every person's proper time. Yeah, Ishna Bagel, you have any question? So please you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fast.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I want to ask, I have no thoughts, sir, so what should I do? Which that book I should read?
Sorry, what you told? I have no.
Thoughts, sir. Whenever I start speaking, so sir, I start saying, I will not be able
Okay,
to speak.
okay.
Yes,
Means
sir.
you are not means that you are not able to means express yourself.
Yes,
You are
sir.
saying that. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your age? What's your age?
Sir, 16 years old.
Oh wow, you are in safest zone because you are having a very big time to improve yourself. So first thing is
Yes,
that
sir.
because I am having two daughters, so
Yes.
I know how girls thinks, and I am having one boy. So don't behave like a girls. My mean is that uh, means try to read as much as possible and try to
Yes.
listen news because these all the thoughts come from your confidence that whatever idea of that whatever idea of that your surroundings you are having, then you are able to express yourself because now you means you are having a less as so you are not having any idea about your surroundings, about your country, about your state, about your society. You don't have any idea, that's why you are not able to express. So
Yes, sir.
start to read as much as possible, start to and YouTube is the very good tool. So who has changed my life? YouTube has changed my life.
Okay.
YouTube has changed my life because
Yes.
through the YouTube I got that DNA classes, I got the Sandeep sir, and I got that many motivational videos. I got many good things from YouTube. So through that YouTube you can gain your knowledge and information. There are many
Yes.
interesting videos there. So whatever video you will listen, then you will feel that yes, now you are getting something. Now you are having confidence, you are having idea about something. So if you are having idea, then definitely you are able to express yourself. Because whenever
Yes.
I was in classes or Sandeep sir classes, whenever Sandeep sir used to give some topics, so I have seen many of the participants used to get help from Google to read and understand what is the topic Sandeep sir has given, what they have to tell. So they try to get some knowledge from YouTube. But I never used any Google help because I was having that much of idea already. Because I have read a lot. My means as I told you that I have read newspaper for many years, or in that newspaper the editorial page, Sampadikiya page. So if you are beginner, then you can start to read this Sampadikiya page in Hindi also, because the objective is that you have to increase your knowledge and that information. So
Yes.
start reading. So you will find that within a 1 year that you will feel that you are having that much of idea of anything, everything. So you
Yes,
are
sir.
at a good stage of your life. So at right age you have started to these classes. So definitely within I don't think so any problem you will feel in your rest of the life, because I have started these classes at the age of 39
Sir,
and you
may
have
I know a
started at
little
the age
bit
of
information
16.
about Sandeep sir? About you talking, sir.
Sandeep sir, what information you required?
Sir, I want
Okay,
to.
Sanjay, stop. Sanjay, stop.
Yes.
After class,
Okay,
I
sir.
will. Okay.
Okay,
Tell
okay,
it.
sir.
Okay. No need while class.
I think
Okay.
Sandeep Maheshwari, sir.
Okay. No,
No,
Sanjay,
no, no,
stop.
no.
Sanjay, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now, Khushbu, you have any doubt? Do you have any questions? You can ask.
Sir,
Okay,
sir, I want to ask last question.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
yes,
Any
you
question?
can.
Sir, who is Sandeep, sir?
Sandeep sir, I after class I will tell about all things. No need means
Okay.
you be focus now class. Okay, not need like
Yes,
after
sir.
class I will explain all things.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Khushbu, you can ask.
Okay, sir. First of all, good evening, sir. My name. Today's my question is that how to create a sentence. Means while speaking, I have a knowledge about grammar and rules, but when I start speaking and create any sentence, that time I'm unable to create and making any sentence. So tell me about any idea about this.
No, there is no such formula is there, because it's a very much normal problem, and
No,
by doing continuous practice you are able to express yourself, because you are saying that you know about the grammar rules, so it means that you don't have any confidence, so and you haven't practiced. So after doing practice and you will get that confidence, then you will see that you are expressing yourself. So the same problem I was having 7 months back. I was having that idea. I was having that. I know that grammar rules, but whenever anyone asks me to express yourself in 2 sentences, so I was not able to express, because in Sandeep sir video, first video I have seen of Sandeep sir, in that class Sandeep sir called some of the students. So Sandeep sir asked this student, tell us about yourself. So while watching this video, I was fearing myself, how he can able to express, because he is a student, he is learning English. So how much I was fearful at that time. While watching the video, the student was able speaking in English. He was trying to speak in English, but I was having fearful that thought in my mind that how he is able to express. That much I was fearful at that time.
So,
So
Sanjeev sir,
really
doing
not, sir.
continuous practice, you
Yes,
would overcome your problem.
sir, actually,
practicing.
who is a Sanjeev sir?
Oh my
Is
God.
it
So
your
Ravinder
teacher or
Yadav ji will tell you, about Sandeep sir and their classes. You would get to know.
After class, I will tell us all
Don't worry.
things
Apart
about
from
Sandeep.
this, if you
Okay,
want to know
he's
anything,
wait,
just tell me.
all person. Yeah, he is very different type person. Okay, and 100% I will give up what you want to means and more information about Sandeep sir. Okay, but now you give up all. You should give up focus on our class. Okay. See,
Actually, Uttam sir, my question is that I when I start speaking and but I use only small words like when I start first subject name, just like I, see, he, you, eat, that type, but I don't know how to use in means tough words and tough vocabulary. So it is my question.
No, you are wrong. You're about yourself. Whatever I listen from you, that you are having your capability to speak more, and you are having that much of capability I have listened from yourself. So don't think like that. Do practice as much as possible. So it's depend on your practice. If you will do consistent practice, then definitely within 2 3 months you will see that you are able to express yourself properly. So it's a stage. It's a basic stage. At this stage, if you will improve yourself, then you will reach another stage, and then you will do continuous efforts, then you will reach this another stage. But whatever stage right now you are, it's a perfect stage. From that stage, try to achieve that another stage. It's normal. Speak as much as possible, listen as much as possible, and and try to talk with people in English.
Yes, actually, I practice a lot with my friend, and whole day means 2 3 hours we discuss any topic and how to ask question like this.
No, yes. The thing is that if you talk about with your friend, then what sort of topic and what sort of discussion you do? I think it's very casual discussion you do. You don't select any topic.
Actually, when we start that time, we discuss any topic related to India and world, and how to ask questions, situation, and many things we discuss. And yeah, it's also beneficial for us because of this we have confidence to how to talk with someone in front of you and how to communicate with each other. So it's really
Yes.
increasing for us.
There are 4 habits to become a fluent speaker. You are doing only one habit. Continuously, you are speaking with your friend. This is the one habit. There are 3 more habits for English speaking.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you are speaking now, listening, listening,
Yes,
and
sir.
watching.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I already do like this for 4 things. Actually, I read a newspaper for my on my mobile, and I'm listening a lot videos, motivational videos, and talk shows videos. So I know means we will have to do 4 things for increase your speaking.
from how many days you are practicing?
Uh, I'm practicing. I started for before 4 months. Then now this time we are able to speak, and we have confidence, but we don't know how to speak tough word, and how to create a tough word in while speaking.
So
You know.
don't try to use tough words. Always remain with simple words. See some videos of any motivational speaker, any spiritual leader. You are not
Yes, sir.
able to see any tough word they use. Always I have seen that what whosoever is good speaker in YouTube, always I have seen they use only simple words. So don't believe in tough words. Yes, as much as simple words you will use, you are able to express yourself properly. So it's means here that I am saying that that the continuous practice is required. You have only given 4 months. I think 4 months is not enough, because I have given myself 2 year target. 6 months is I have completed. I am having a one and half means 1.5 year is remaining. So this activity, this habit is not like that 1 or 2 months or 3 months we are able to achieve good result. We have to continue these habits. So in 4 months you have earned a lot. You learned a lot, I think, and you are doing very good. But some habits are still remaining, which if you follow these habits, then definitely in 6 months or in 1 year, you will see in yourself that you are expressing yourself very much good manner.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
What is your age?
Seetal Poddar, unmute yourself. Hello. Yeah,
Good
Seetal
evening,
ma'am.
sir.
Yeah, Seetal ma'am.
Gautam sir, where you are working in Sikkim?
Seetal ma'am, you have
I am
any
working
question you
in
can ask?
Yes, sir. I have
medicine
3
plant.
questions.
Yeah, you can ask. Yeah,
Hello.
Okay,
after
means
that,
nearby
have-
you can
Bangkok.
ask anybody. Okay. Firstly, yeah, Seetal, you can ask question.
Yes, sir. I have 3 questions. And first question is my while to reading, then we can't understand all stories and content. So it's necessary then while to reading, then we understand all things.
I couldn't hear you properly due to network. Please speak again.
Seetal, you have a little bit, you have a text net a little
Okay,
bit.
sir.
Yeah, continue.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes.
Sir, my first question is a while to reading. While to reading,
Okay.
I don't understand the stories. And suppose I read to story and book and newspaper, that time I don't understand anything. So while to reading, it's necessary. Then which thing I read, then I understand.
Yes, it is very much necessary. And if you are reading any storybook, then you should choose those stories which you are able to understand. Understanding is very much required. So whatever story you are reading right now, I think it's a little bit tough. That's why you are not able to understand. So you have to choose some easy stories first. So and then try to complete these storybooks first. Then you need to go that some another upper level. So that's how you are able to
Okay, sir.
means cross some levels.
Okay. And my second question, sir, while to writing, then I write systematic then. And I use proper conjunction, preposition, and any words I write. But while to speaking, I have content and thoughts and as well as points, but I can't express. And I can't able to speak in front of teachers and any in front of camera and as well as in front of mirror. So how to overcome this?
It's a very much normal problem. I am writing emails, that much of big emails I can write, and I am writing from last 10 years. So it doesn't mean that if I am able to write that much of email, then I can speak. Speaking is some other skill and writing is some other skill. Both are different skills. Okay. So for speaking, you have to do efforts, different type of efforts. And for writing, you have to do different type of efforts. If you are good in writing, it doesn't mean that that you will learn speaking very means instantly you can learn. But the thing is that if you are able to write properly, then in that very less time you are able to express yourself in English also. So writing will help you to get the result fast.
Okay, sir, but I can't express my thoughts because while to speaking, I have so many content and thoughts and as well as points, but I can't express in front of teacher as well, like in front of any person.
Yes, it's very much normal thing. It's not a different sort of problem. It's very much normal. As much as you will speak, you will get your confidence. So it's a matter of confidence. So confidence comes from your regular practice, your regular habits, whatever habits I told you. It would not get any soft efforts. So it required hard efforts. Okay, and continuous efforts is required. If you are saying that while speaking you are not able to express, you are having a thought, you are having a sentences, but you are not able to express. So where is the problem? Problem is that the confidence. We are having a less confidence. That's why we are not able to express ourselves in a sentence. So as much as we will practice, we will get our confidence, and on the basis of that confidence, you can express yourself. Because
But
I
sir,
was having the
while into
same knowledge
talking,
about English 6 months back. Only I got confidence in last 6 months. Nothing. I haven't read any grammar. I haven't read any some that good words. I knew already this word meanings, but I was not having that confidence.
Yeah.
okay, sir, but while to talk with my friend, that time I am comfortable and I express, but only in front of someone. And like in this time, I am so hesitant and I am nervous. I am getting nervous. Then how to speak? But now I am able to speak in front of you. But in front of teacher, I can't express. And I express my in front of my friends and my close friend.
So you have to do yourself some exercises, that exercises like that. You have to uh, put yourself in some uh, tough situations, some hard situations. Means if you are very much comfortable speaking with your friends, then try to speak some strange person, try to speak some known person, start to speak some good speakers. So whenever you put yourself in a tough efforts, means challenging efforts, then you are able to get your confidence. If you are saying that I am very good in speaking with my friends and I am not able to speak with others, so that's how your problem would not be solved. So as much as you will put yourself in different situations, then you are able to get your confidence, because the objective is that you have to get your confidence. Confidence is the key to express yourself in English. If you are not having confidence, then no one will help you. So I
Okay,
am
sir,
giving
I
my
got it.
example. I have started to speak with my team members. I am having a 7-8 members team member. I have started to speak with my team members in English. So all have shown that. One of the my team member told me, sir, आप में इतना change कैसे आया? He told me, sir, आप तो बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. So I haven't told them that this type of activities I am doing. I told them that I am continuously reading, I am continuously listening, I am speaking like that. I told him, but he was surprised at that time. So, but previously I was not able to express myself with my team members, because I thought that what they will think if I stuck between the sentence. But now I have started, and now I am easily expressing myself with my against my team member. And after that, when I felt very much comfortable in front of my team member, now I started to give presentation. Now I am very much comfortable to give presentation of team members. Now I started to give presentation of another department. So my objective is that within a 2-3 month, I would start to give presentation in front of head of the departments. So as much as I would put myself in a different situation and challenging situation, I would get that level of confidence, and that confidence will help you.
Yeah.
We cannot say that I am very much comfortable with my friends. Yes, now you have passed one stage. Now you try to keep yourself in that second stage. Now then try to achieve that third step. So it's like a video game. If you pass one level, then you have to reach second level, then third level, like that.
Yeah. Yeah, really.
Okay, sir. Because one question, sir. Not question. Actually, I want to say something. Because I recognize my weakness in this time. Then sir said to. Then actually, I don't face any problem like someone I join to any meeting. Then come to my turn. Then I have so scared and feared, so I left. So it's my weakness. So now I am recognize my weakness. So I hope then I will working in this my weakness. So thank you, sir.
Okay.
Ital, I was like you, same problem I was having. So you can see me. If you do consistent efforts, then definitely you will change yourself and you will achieve whatever objective
Yeah,
you have given yourself.
Jitendra Pagal, would you like say something. Jitendra Baghel.
Yes, sir. Actually, I am also living in Goa. And
Jitendra, your voice.
Sikkim.
Jitendra,
I
your
want to say to some sir where he lives in Sikkim.
Jitendra,
Yes,
you
sir.
are here now. Jitendra. Hello.
We couldn't listen to you.
Yeah, I think yeah. Jitendra.
Sir, I'm audio, sir.
Yeah. Now. Yeah, Jitendra.
Sir, I am residing at Bagdogra, sir. And I want to ask to Uttam sir where he is living in Sikkim because it is nearby me.
Singtam.
Okay, Sintham. Okay.
Because Uttam sir, he is also working
I am waiting.
in state.
I am waiting for you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. We will meet soon, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Resend also left. Resend, you have any questions? So you also can ask. Reshendra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, fast.
Sir,
only say 6 minutes left, and after that meeting is over. Okay. Fast, you can
okay,
ask.
sir. Sir, my question that whenever I speak and while speaking, I pauses and I repeat again to again. So, sir, how to remove our pauses?
So it's again a problem of confidence. It's again
Yes,
problem
sir.
of confidence. As much as you will practice, you will get your confidence, and whenever you will get your confidence, you will not repeat again and again sentences. Because I was having same type of problem. I used to speak very fast, and again I used to repeat the sentences. Okay, but
Yes.
I got some confidence. Then I am able to express myself in normal way. So
Sir,
it's
while
again
speaking,
practice is required.
sir, I am
But the
unable
thing
to
is
use
that if you are again
loud.
speaking, so do meditation. Meditation
Yes,
will
sir.
help you. Meditation will help you to remain calm and then control on yourself. Then you would not some changes you will see in yourself.
Yeah.
Sir, while speaking, I am unable to use it like a structure, sir. It is my main problem, sir. I forget all things.
I'm not getting your question. While speaking, you are not able to.
Sir, I am not able to use structure or structure grammar rules.
Okay.
I am unable to
Okay.
use.
So
Yeah.
there is no need of grammar, rule, and structure. The first thing is that speak as much as possible, whether it is wrong or right. The thing is that why Indians and why Asians are not able to express in English, because in India, whenever we speak wrong English, then there are thousands of people come to us and then ask that you did wrong. That's why we don't try. We are struggling because of that reason. So the thing is that as much as you will speak, then you will gain your confidence. Then there will be no such problem will be there in you. You are very much normal. You can easily express yourself. There is no such requirement of any grammar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Silencer. Silencer, you have
Thank
any
you, sir.
questions? You also can ask. Silencer, I think Silencer is he is also only left. Silencer.
Shailendra Singh Rajawat.
Silent Singh Raja.
He is from my village.
Yeah.
That's why he didn't come.
Silent Singh Rajawat, you can ask any question from Uttam Singh sir. Okay.
Thank you, Ravi.
Why Shailendra Bana? Why you are not speaking?
No, I want to speak, but I don't understand for calling me. So
I do not talk. So my question is, Uttam sir, while I read book, so that time I understand any any words, but after some time I not remember for this word. So my question is how to remember this type
Long
this
time.
type words and this type.
Yeah, got
Long
it. Got
time.
it, Uttam sir. Yeah.
I got it. So you are saying that you are not talking about your regular studies. You are talking about that whatever book you are reading. So whenever you
Yes.
read any book and whenever you see any word, so you understand that word and you remember that word at that time, but after some time you forgot.
Yes, yes.
So the only one thing is that continuous practice is required. Continuous practice means again and again you have to remember the sentences. I do this activity remembering that words twice a week. I discuss with my friends and he discuss with me. So I tell them these sentences. So I whenever I tell these sentences, the meaning of that word. So that's why again I am remembering these words. So 2-3 times if I discuss these words, so after that I would not forget that word. So whenever you read any word first time, then after next day and then after 1 week or after 1 month, try to see again these words. Then you are able to remember these words for long time, because these words are very much new. Whenever we read and we understood that word, so we should not think like that now we got that word and we will remember this word throughout the life. We would not, because we are Hindi speaking people and these words are from different language. So practice is required, that continuous practice is required. Okay, but the thing is that if you continue do your these habits, then after some time you are able to understand these words only once. Means one time
Okay,
you will
okay,
read that
sorry,
word and you will remember for a long time.
Uttam sir, sorry for interrupting because means only few seconds left, and after that meeting will be over. And thank you lots, and means again, Uttam sir, really means today I am very happy because you share lots of good things, and I hope each of the persons they learn lots means about our problem, and the persons one day they will clear. Okay, because I know very well, you explain very well. And thank you again, means my bottom of heart. Okay, sir. Really, it was
Thank you, Ravindra
fantastic.
ji.